First we open the text editor software. Application, accessories, text editor. So we get the text editor window. Here I am going to create a HTML page normally. First type the HTML tag. Then close the HTML tag. Here I am going to give some content between the HTML tags. First I am going to type single items. Single items. Then Mohiniyattam. Bharatanatyam. Then group items. Oppana. Tiruvadira. Then save the page. Here I am going to save the page within the home folder containing students worksheet folder. Then give the name kalolsavam.html. Then save the document. Then see the result. We get a normal page. If we want some modification in the result, first we want to make some modification in the code. Here I am going to give heading tag for single items and group items. There are 6 heading tags in HTML. Here I am going to give H3 tag for single items and group items. First type H3, then close the H3. Similarly, give this tag to group items. Then save the page and see the result. We get single items and group items as a heading. Then the Mohiniyattam and Bharatanatyam and Oppana and Tiruvadira are the same line. If we get the result as new line, use BR tag. Here I give BR tag at the end of the Mohiniyattam, so get Bharatanatyam as new line. Similarly, give to BR tag at the end of Oppana. We get Tiruvadira as new line. See the result. Then we want to give style for the content. We use font tag here. Font tag is used to set style for the text. So we use font tag. Face means type of the text. Face equal to Libraian sans. Then give the color. Then color equal to blue. Then also give size. Then finally close the font tag. Then save the document and see the difference. So we get the blue color for Mohiniyattam and Bharatanatyam. Then similarly give this font tag to Oppana and Tiruvadura. So copy the tag and paste there. Okay, then close the tag. Then save the page and see the result. Okay, here we create the HTML page normally. Then we are going to learn how we create a CSS page, how we apply the style by using CSS. Here we use the same font style for two items, Mohiniyattam, Bharatanatyam, Oppana and Tiruvadura. So we use CSS for that purpose. The same style can be applied for different content. The HTML have some basic structure. First open the head tag, then close the head, then open the body, then close the body. All the content are placed between the opening body tag and the closing body tag. This is the basic structure for HTML. Okay, all of you understand? Here title, only one tag used inside the head tag is title tag. It is used to give the content for the text. Here I give the title as School Kalolsavam. Then close the title tag. Then save the page and refresh the result. See the difference. Here School Kalolsavam is placed at the top of the page. Okay. Here we create the page normally. Then we are going to create the page by using CSS. Okay, all of you understand? CSS is used to apply the same style for different content. The same style can be applied to different content we are studying in word processor by using styles and formatting. Here also we use the tag style. The purpose of style tag is used to give the style for the text. First open the style tag, then close the style tag. Then all the style attributes given within these tags. First P. P is a name of the tag. Then open bracket. Then close bracket. The attributes of the tag given between the opening and the closing bracket. Okay, all of you understand? Here give font family. Font family means the font face is called a font family. Here we give Librairie Sans. Librairie Sans. Then give the color. Here we give blue. So give blue. Then also give size. Font size. Font size is 5. Font size is 5. Here I give 20 pixel. Here we use a special tag style for giving the style for the tag. In this page we use more tags. We also represent it like this. Okay. First we save the page. Then remove the font tag from the body. Then give there as P tag because we mentioned the font name as P. So delete the font tag, then there give P tag. Okay. Then save the page and see the difference. Okay. We did not see any different here because the result is same but the purpose is different. Here color we change the blue color as magenta. Then see the difference. Okay, save the page and see the result. Okay, this change. Here I am going to change the color as green. Then see the difference. In this tag, we just only made modification within the style tag, but the result, the both items are changed. So, this is the purpose of style tag. The style tag, the CSS is used to apply the same style for different content. This is called the internal style. That means that the style containing within the same page. So, it is called the internal style. In the external style, the style is in outside the page. We create a connection between these two pages. Okay, all of you understand? I think that all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact with me. Namaste.